We're heading towards the Magic Woods. There it is, the Magic Woods. Yeah, there's a big bump in the middle of the road. It's no big deal though. Let's get in the shade so it's not get cool a little bit. Been out in the sun for nature's air conditioning. Doesn't that feel nice? Yeah. Oh, the sea keeps effing up. Okay. I'm getting closer to the top of the Treadway connector. One of my favorite little paths in all of Cleveland to ride up. It's close. We're real close to the central city, but it feels like you're out in nature. Meet you at the top. No problem, you're doing good. I just want to get it over with so I can go downhill. All right, Ian, nice job. You seem to go up pretty easy today.
Yep.
Remember the first time we came up this hill, you had a harder time. All right, Milana made it too, all right.
Yeah.
Way to go. Nature's air conditioning. Trying to make it up the hill, trying to help Milana. Getting tired going up the Steelyard hill. Pretty tiring, huh?